Yo, so guys, welcome to another unboxing video on my YouTube channel. So you probably saw in the title of this video already that today we're actually going to be unboxing the recently released Razer Blackshark V2X gaming headset. I actually got these for a really good price through Amazon during the Black Friday sales, and I actually got this pair of headsets discounted 10 to 20 pounds off from the normal retail price. So I think it's absolutely amazing considering how recently and new these gaming headsets actually released onto the gaming headset industry. So apart from this main unboxing part aside, I'll put it aside for a bit. I actually want to address that today you will be seeing a new type of camera angle, which is the first person unboxing camera angle. I just want to spice it a little bit and also show you guys my filming process and my personal perspective of how I film these unboxing videos. So hope you guys like it, and I don't think you want to hear me talk too much about the camera angles, but I think you probably want to know more about these gaming headsets. So let's get to the actual part of the video. So this is the new angle that I'll actually be using today for this unboxing, and I will be using this camera that you're seeing right now, as well as this one, the one up there. Yeah, you may see me. Yep. So I'll be using those two cameras and just spice it up a little bit on this channel and put a different perspective onto this unboxing. So let's get to the unboxing. So this is the box of the Razer Blackshark V2X, which is released recently, and off the box looks really nice already. Don't you see that? Yep, let's get it out. So off the box you can already see Gamers by Gamers. Some stickers on the side, and the Razer Blackshark V2X, sorry. Manual, I think, should be. Yep, that side of it. Let's take this out. Oh, and also the headset code there, which this is that side. It's got some. Game says for gamers. Great Razer packaging, really. And off the box you can already see this type of special type of, I don't know how you call this type of paper. There's some type of special paper that protects the cable and as well as the microphone, and you can already see the design from here. It looks really nice. So let's put that to the side of it. So let's move on here. It's got a really nice soft string bag for you to put your headphones in wherever you want to travel. We want to just pick it up and go to anywhere, which just makes things a lot more convenient. It has a really soft texture, and I don't know if you can see it from the camera right here, but it has a Razer embedded logo on it. I can't say it looks really nice with the green strings as well for you to string it up. Yeah, pretty simple. Just string it up there, and this is the unboxing for the Razer Blackshark V2X, and yeah, let's get back to the video. So that's it for the whole boxing video, and I've got to say, once I got this out of the box, not only appearance it looks really good, but also the build quality looks really solid, and I gotta say, it's a really all-round solid job from Razer. I definitely just from about things, I haven't reviewed it anything, I haven't tried anything yet. I definitely recommend, just by appearance wise, if you like have a subtle look of when it comes to your gaming headsets, then this is the way to go. It looks absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button, subscribe, comment, and share this video to every single person you know, as well as click the notification to be the first ones to be notified once I upload any type of video onto this YouTube channel. That's it for me today, and peace.